Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Well, as you can probably tell from the title and where I'm at right now, I am not showing you my tips and tricks on lighting video. Some things that I have ordered for that video are still on back order. Can you believe it? I'm still waiting. So today I was sitting around and I was thinking about two things. One, I need to shave. And two, I really want to change up this setting on my coffee table. I love it, but I'm ready for a change. Let me show you what I have come up with today. So we are going to say goodbye to the blue candles that smell so good. We're not going to say goodbye to this though. I'm actually going to use this in this setting. So I'm just going to take this and set it off to the side for right now. I'm going to say goodbye to this white table runner also. That has been up since October. Okay, so first things first, I did get a new table runner. I went to a country store and it was 20% off. So I don't think I've ever grabbed anything so quickly in my life. Now, this is the color scheme that I tend to do all year in my room. This is actually almost the same print as my couch whenever the white slip cover is taken off. So this is kind of our foundation. It will also save your table from getting scratched up. Next thing I got was this wooden tray. Now I have seen these at a lot of different places. They can either be very expensive or very cheap. This one happens to be from Joann Fabrics and I had a coupon. They were also having a sale, so I believe by the time I got this, it was maybe like $16. So I'm gonna take that and put it in the center of the table. So, okay, let's see, what else do I have here? So I have this candle holder and I am going to set it right here. And then we gotta move the candle back. Just went on a little bit of a journey. Now, another thing that I bought yesterday was this weather vane. And it's kind of like a, I don't know, I would say, sort of looks like an oil rub bronze. So I put this in there and it just wasn't doing it for me. So you know how I like to use old books and things? Well, I wanted to go for a black and tan theme. So I found this book that is pretty much the same color as this tan that's in here. However, I flipped it around because the title is All You Need to Know About the IRS. I don't want anybody coming over to my house thinking that I'm trying to cheat the system. So I took these books and I sat them kind of diagonal here. And then here's one thing, there's a lot of space in this tray, so I'm not gonna be pushing stuff right up to the edge here. I can actually move this over. Now I'm just gonna set this right on top of here. But here's one thing that I wanna do. I don't want this point going outside of the tray, so I am gonna be pushing it over. And like I said, there's plenty of room. And again, I'm not lining these straight up. This is back a little bit further than this. Now this is something I had. I own a wiener dog, so I had to get this. This was from Hobby Lobby a couple years ago. If you saw my home decor haul from last season, this was in there. It was seriously like $4. So I just needed something short to incorporate in here. So all I'm gonna do is put it in right this way. Now here's another thing that I like to do whenever I accessorize. As you can probably tell, this lantern is hiding the back of this arrow here. And this dog is also hiding the books. What I like to do, it goes way back to Christmas decorating. I like to stagger things so you don't see everything at one time. Now here is the good part about having this all in a tray. Say I was having game night or something and I wanted to remove this. All I gotta do is take the two handles and move it off of here. And apparently change directions of the arrow. Alright, so that's today's video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe down below. And if you have any questions or comments, let me know. We'll see you in the next video. Pray for me that all my back ordered items are here by the time we shoot that video. Alright, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.